This here is a 1967 Chevrolet C10 that we just finished. Has a basic frame off restoration. New Carolina blue paint job. Has all new trim and chrome. Cow hood. It's been converted to 5 lugs, so it has a disc brake front end. All new trim and moldings. New 20-inch chrome wheels that have like a gunmetal center with polished lips. All new trim and chrome on the back, new lenses. It's a black spray-in bed liner. The gas tank's been relocated to under the bed, so it has a filler neck in the bed here. That way the gas tank isn't inside the cab with you, no gas fumes. We'll take a look under the hood. Has a 383 motor. Has shorty black hugger headers. Firewall's been shaved, except for the vintage air hoses going into it. Power brakes and power steering. We'll look on the inside. All the jams have been done. New weather stripping. Has new OEM style door panels. Seat has been reupholstered and covered. Black headliner with chrome trim. Does have a padded dash. You see your OEM style AC vents. Does have a tilt column. These are the vintage air controls. These are also your gauges and your switches for your air ride. I'll raise it up. That's the front. That'd be the back. You can see it raised up. Again, this is a 67 Chevrolet C10 that we just finished. Basic frame off restoration, complete air ride suspension, 20-inch wheels, all new trim and chrome and paint.